Software Spring. Presents. How to use query with order by clause in Google Sheets. Hi folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the query function with the order by clause. Let's get started with an intro to order by. Order by assists to sort data. Order by can sort data in ascending or descending order. Default sort order is ascending. Okay, here is the syntax of the query function formula. The order by clause is a part of the query argument. Now, it's time to work on an example that illustrates the order by clause. Okay, we are ready to type the query function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, Q, U, E, and select query. For data, select this range, and type comma. For query, type this command. Type the closing parenthesis. The final formula is. In this formula, star means select all the columns. Order by A means sort the data in column A. Press enter. Alright, the order by clause has, by default, sorted the data in column A in the ascending order. Now, let's sort the data in the descending order. Let me modify the formula. The final formula is DESC, stands for descending. Press enter. There you go. The order by clause has sorted the data in column A in the descending order. Quick review. An example of query function formula with order by clause is. This command means return column A and B by sorting data in column A. By default, order by sorts data in ascending order. Type DESC after order by to sort data in descending order. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.